Welcome back to Car Accessories. Upgrade your ride with safety and style. We unveil the top 3 LED door sill lights for 2024. Number 3. LG Louis Garden presents LED door sill lights are multicolor RGB lights, with 7 colors and 3 modes for you to choose, so that your car door light color is no longer monotonous. The door light supports waterproof function, and the switch and charging port come with waterproof plug design. USB charging design, long battery life, takes 0.5 hour to fully charge, can be used for about 1 month. It is different from the magnetic suction and Velcro way of installation, applicable to more models, more solid installation. These pedals provide a comfortable grip with the rear measuring 25 cm or 9.8 inches long and 4.5 cm or 1.78 inches wide, while the front pedals are slightly smaller at 21.46 cm 8.4 inches long. Installation is so easy. Wipe the threshold with adhesive aids. Compare the installation position with the threshold. Remove the buckle back adhesive for installation. Align the buckle and move the front door to the left. Install the rear door by moving it to the right. The buckle is easy to install and removable charge. Place the paper on the sensing area, attached to the bottom of the car. It looks more cool after installation. The light is on when the door is opened, and the light is off when the car door is closed. Upgrade from magnet induction. Use infrared induction sticker to control light on-off, more responsive, and can adapt to more door pedal materials. With a strong customer rating of 4.1 out of 5 on Amazon, this product is well regarded by many customers. However, it's important to note that a 4.1 rating indicates it might have some mixed reviews, so be sure to check those out to see if there are any common concerns before you buy. Number 2. Louis LED Door Sill Light. This door sill lights has a dazzling dance of 7 colors that bathes your car with every entrance, or choose from a delightful mix for a constantly unique welcome. Plus, the cool welcome mode adds an extra touch of dynamic flair. Installation is quite easy. Ensure the door sill is clean and dry. Remove any dirt or debris to provide a smooth surface. Carefully place the LED door sill lights on the desired installation spot. Ensure the product is flat and not bent. Peel off the protective film from the surface of the LED door sill lights to reveal the clear and vibrant illumination. Activate the light by pressing the sensor area, which is located on the upper right of the product. Affix the infrared sensor sticker to the bottom of the door, aligning it with the sensor area on the LED lights. This enhances the auto switching functionality. Open and close the door to test the auto switching mode. Confirm that the LED lights respond seamlessly to the door's movement. LED door sill Pro applicable to most young car models. Multi-beam LED lights are dynamic and engaging, matching your sleek car appearance, showing off its glamorous appearance from every different angle. Of course, it is also suitable for upgrading all old models. This device connects with both Type-C and standard USB cables. It also features an infrared sensor, which automatically lights up the moment the door is opened for welcome action. Louis LED door sill lights offer 2 length options, 19.69 inches large and 11.89 inches small. Both sizes have a width of 1.77 inches. This LED door sill uses a magnetic mounting method, allowing you to easily attach the sill without causing any damage to your car. Our LED door sill lights add a touch of style, both in sunlight and at night, making your car shine anytime. Unlike traditional installations, our lights elegantly attach without a trace of adhesive worries. Embrace hassle-free brilliance, ensuring your car's entrance is not just illuminated but impeccably refined. Choose the future of car aesthetics with LED door threshold lights. Currently boasting a 4.2 star rating on Amazon with over 23 global reviews, they're a great choice for any car. Number 1. Carbon fiber LED door sill lights. These LED door sill lights are crafted from high-quality carbon fiber acrylic for superior scratch and wear resistance. Easy to maintain, a simple wipe keeps them looking brand new, and the IP67 waterproof rating ensures they handle daily car washes without issue. LED door Sill lights featuring a key for on and off and 7 color changing options, sensor activation, and easy programming for most cars. These LED door Sill lights illuminate your entrance with a dazzling display of colors and clear, bright signs, activated by built-in infrared sensors the moment you open the door. It's a personalized touch that adds both flair and functionality to your ride. This is suitable for almost all models of cars. This LED door Sill lights support personalization and free customization. Make your car the coolest car on the street. Currently boasting a perfect 5-star rating on Amazon with 3 global reviews, carbon fiber LED door Sill lights are receiving positive feedback from customers worldwide. Thanks for watching the video. Which LED light you want to purchase? Write in the comments for more videos. Stay connected.